Hey, what's up guys? Harrington Hare here. Happy Fursuit Friday. You know, I'm a big fan of history. I love documentaries about ancient Rome, about the Dark Ages, but today we're going to talk about a documentary that's the first of its kind. This week we're going to talk about a documentary chronicling the history of the furry fandom. There won't be any spoilers, so no worries there. Now with that out of the way, let's get right on into it. This documentary is called The Fandom. It goes back to the early conventions, the sci-fi conventions of the 1970s. From the first fanzines and furry pizza parties to the internet. And one of the biggest businesses in one of the biggest cities in America. It was really a beautiful thing to hear how it all took shape and hear the stories of how these isolated pockets of people found each other. The Fandom is a documentary that was created by Ash Coyote, and I haven't seen a comprehensive history of the furry community put together like this, and I was impressed to see it all done so well. Now, I've seen mainstream media coverage of furries, but this is the first account that I've seen, on such a scale at least, of the furry community that is told by themselves. Now, in a historical context, that's called a primary source, and that is absolutely key, a very important tool that historians use when constructing a cohesive historical narrative. Now, if you haven't already seen it, then I'm going to put a link down in the description below. So if you're a furry, a historian, or just curious about all this crazy cadres of costume creatures, then I implore you, I beg you, please go watch this documentary. Not only will you learn something, but you'll also get a new perspective about one of the most unique and vibrant communities out there. That's going to do it for this week's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, then I'd like you to put a like down below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you enjoy my content, then please consider subscribing. I make videos like this every single week for you, and so that lets me know that you enjoyed this content and you want me to make more. That being said, I'll see you guys next week. Happy Fursuit Friday, stay safe, and until then, bye-bye.